Come with me. Let's make some catfish barbecue together. Hello, good everyone. You're welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you all can see, and now waiting I see for market, and I be waiting about this festive period, the catfish they see for Africa shop is very, very big. The thing they big as now they see this one, so now see the way it take big and now waiting we just get for this period for my side. Now be this one. I bet if you know see the my city and you know where big catfish they are, bet just let me know on the comment section, because this one I get so it be like saying at the picking, you understand. So let's get into the video, my people. So guys, this one are the catfish we need for this recipe. Okay, I don't already wash and cutable. I can't put on my salt, black pepper and seasoning powder, and I be waiting and see when I fair use still rubber. So this one I they put, so this green pepper, so when I they put now waiting I fair get for inside my freezer for a very long time. I don't fair use that. So now the remaining one, and I know now things they cost for market, so we not go feel use something remain go through. We and I get big freezer for my kitchen, so I gotta put it inside. So now I be waiting at the see for years. So after this one now, my people, them I go come wrap them, put them for inside my oven, just the way you dey see for the video. So this one are the second one, my people. We do the same thing and we wrap it and put it in our pan. Then we are going to be putting it in our oven. So the next thing and I be the pepper we will need the sauce. Okay, so this one are just red pepper, yellow bell pepper, onions and scotch bonnet pepper, and I be waiting and see for this. So now we are going to be making the sauce, and this is my pan, oil and onions. Now I know so I get like a lot of onions and so this one are the pepper mix. We'll come pour it inside, turn everything together, make the thing for cook. You understand? You know what I mean. So the next thing now we're going to put our mangi ahead. Now our mangi now be this one, and the corner one I they see for this. So I already they fry my plantain and my yam. You now understand? So I don't put all the seasonable something when I get from my kitchen. Then we'll turn everything together. Then we'll come cover and make our sauce for cook very well. You understand? As you can see, the aroma we don't come out from my kitchen and not be here. I beg. If you know say they close by, just come and have it. Come and have it. No, come and chop. Although the fish not too big like that, but no worry, go let us share. It will be enough for us to share, you understand? So I test my sauce. The salt was not salting. No, was not salting. The salt not cut. Now I can add another salt again. So now we'll cut on everything and our sauce is ready. So my people, if you know say don't watch this video, Riche, it means say you dey enjoy the video, but you don't want to follow. You don't want to share, you don't want to leave a comment. Kilo day now. What is going on? Papa, mama, auntie, uncle. Oh yeah, now follow this page as you do. May God highly bless you. And to my returning followers, I say may God bless you all as soon as they support una get. Una sweet apple for them. Our fish don't almost cook. Then now come carry and come out, come add and that sauce one will make. Then come put them for inside oven again, make everything for done together. Look at it. I will be giving this a try. Thank you guys for watching and see you all in my next video. Bye for now.